Rappers running up to me, saying, yo, keep it real, represent.
Keep it real, y'all, gotta keep it real, y'all.
Rappers running up to me, saying, yo, keep it real, represent.
Represent, represent.
Rappers running up to me, saying, yo, keep it real, represent.
Keep it real, y'all, gotta keep it real, y'all.
Rappers running up to me, saying, yo, keep it real, represent.
Represent, represent.
Before we skip to all my homies, let me tell you this. I am the woman of the bunch and I keep my shit together. Whatever kind of dude comes to me, cause you might think that it's a tough one, but I rock the beat. And I don't waste my time on rappers who don't know how to treat a lady, cause when they notice you got skills, they get shady. I got a crew with men who don't get down like that, the type of man who knows the meaning of the word respect. This ain't no competition, cause I keep my own damn style. And I've been singing, rapping, doing my thing for a while, but the industry is trying to put us in a shape. That's why I'd rather do it my way and fix my own tapes, cause I refuse to sell my soul to fucking Instagram. If you just listen to my music, you know who I am. I'm on a mission like a lunatic, I keep it real. I'm not the bragging type, I want you to know what's my deal.
Rappers running up to me, saying, yo, keep it real, represent.
Keep it real, y'all, gotta keep it real, y'all.
Rappers running up to me, saying, yo, keep it real, represent.
Represent, represent.
Rappers running up to me, saying, yo, keep it real, represent.
Keep it real, y'all, gotta keep it real, y'all.
Rappers running up to me, saying, yo, keep it real, represent.
Represent, represent.
When Nil spits, I'm making MCs lose their shit. Even diss them so hard, their own producers quit. And my crew's legit, go sell the news real quick. We getting rougher and tougher than a Bruce Lee kick. Screaming fat mark, that's the crew I represent. Keep it real and those who don't, they can all get bent. In any event, we tear the roof off this mother. Verbally, I think you heard of me, we murder all these suckers. Lyrically, more specifically, the sickest in the industry. Mr. Ill ripping the mic and this killer beat. I've been sick for years, that's why they call me ill. Like the name of the song, we represent for real. Keeping it real, keeping it raw, we leaving jaws on the floor. Kicking rhymes down your throat, make you eat to a straw for sure. I ain't keeping the score, cause we don't have to. We blast you with another one, we coming at you.
Rappers running up to me, saying, yo, keep it real, represent.
Keep it real, y'all, gotta keep it real, y'all.
Rappers running up to me, saying, yo, keep it real, represent.
Represent, represent.
Rappers running up to me, saying, yo, keep it real, represent.
Keep it real, y'all, gotta keep it real, y'all.
Rappers running up to me, saying, yo, keep it real, represent.
Represent, represent.
Now as we stepping in, yes you know we bust Gus. We be banging harder through your speakers than the rest us. Can't say that shit, so let's keep it on the hush hush. Fucking say it out loud and crush them to dust. Must protect the craft with feet on the cuts. What with my man Ill, we be kicking all that rough stuff. He be dropping beats while Aminah turns the funk up. They'll leave you stunned, the bass kick snare. It's all I want ya. Better prepare to move your feet rapidly. Don't be scared, follow your head that's bouncing on the beat. DMC and me feeds from the energy. You'll be spreading throughout the galaxy. I see it all turning back, making me want to rhyme. So thanks for that and let's have a good time now. Everybody loves music, why? Cause it's a universal language, right?